So hey guys, today we are going to use the IBM Spectrum Care security posture. To use it, we need to follow the instruction. It is a Kibana tool which gives us the graphical representation of all the security features. So we will first clone this repository on our cluster. After cloning it, we will go to the folder. We need to first configure. Then we first need to configure the scale cluster.config file. For that, we will need the IP address of the cluster. We can get that by using the mmls cluster command. Here in the IP address field, we need to paste the IP address. After this, we need to install the Elasticsearch and Kibana on any node. After that, we need to configure that Elasticsearch and Kibana. I have already done that. So after that, we need to configure the security posture the config file. In this file, we first need to put the IP URL of our Kibana. Here you need to post just the IP address of the node on which you have installed the Kibana. This is the username of the Kibana and this is the password of the Kibana that we will use to log in the Kibana. After this is done, we just need to run this Python command. I already did run that Python command, so I will not run it again. So after we have followed all the commands in the GitHub repository, now we can log in on our Kibana. This username and password as same as we provided in the configuration file. After the Kibana is opened, we need to open the dashboard. In the dashboard, select the security posture final dashboard. First, it will show us the details of the cluster. So we can confirm the detail by using the mmls cluster command. So as we can see, the cluster ID and cluster name is same in both the cases. So here the secure administration CLI. So here as we can see, the remote shell command is user bin ssh and remote file copy mode is user bin /scp. Hence we have kept it true. In the secure administration GUI, we can get the mode by using API. So as we can see, we have got the same SSL connection. So now for the CES auth, we can use the command. So as we can see, the object authorization is none and the file auth type is user defined. Now in the next we can see all the file systems that are mounted. So we can get it by using mmls mount all. So as we can see, there are 4 file systems mounted. So earlier, if we have to check all the information, we had to use the command line. And now in the next step, we will see if the audit login is enabled on the all the file sets that are mounted. So we can use. So now as we can see here, the file audit log is no, means it is not mounted. In this case, on the 4 file system, the audit logging is not enabled, hence it is showing in the red that on none of this file system it is not enabled. So the next thing is uh, so for the next thing we can use this command. So as you can see, we are getting the NFS4 for all the four file system. We can check that if we are getting the same thing or not. So as we can see, for the file system 1 and file system 2, we are getting the NFS4. So in the next thing, we are checking if the data is encrypted or not on the file system. Here the data seems not encrypted on all the four file system. So we can check that manually using the command line argument. So we can see that on the FS1 the encryption is not done. On the FS3 also the encryption is not done. On the FS4 also the encryption is not done. So the administration can get the real quick idea about the none of these file systems are encrypted. So after that there are NFS export type and SMB export types. Now we can see all these export types are directly given in the Kibana dashboard. But earlier if we need to see that, then we have to manually type this command. So now as we can see, there are three NFS export types. Here we can see also there are three NFS export types. So if we need to, here we can see the encryption is enabled in two NFS types and it is not enabled in one NFS type. So we can see it on the Kibana dashboard, but if we need to see it using the command, we can type. So as we can see here, as we can see in the earlier case, security type is only SYS on the dir1, hence it is not encrypted. But on the other directory number 3, we can see the KRB5 encryption is done there. So we are taking it encrypted and showing it on the Kibana dashboard. So after that, we need to see the SMB export types. For that, now we can see there are three SMB export types: SMB export 1, 2 and 3. So from that, here the encrypted one are SMB export 2 and SMB export 3. So we can see that SMB export 2 and SMB export 3 are encrypted and SMB export 1 is not encrypted. The same we can see on this command line. Here type the command line arguments for each of them, and this makes our task very easy, and security administrator can check the security status of his clusters very easy. So thank you. So hey guys, today we are going to use the IBM Spectrum Care security posture. To use it, we need to follow the instruction. It is a Kibana Kibana tool which gives us the graphical representation of all the security features. So we will first clone this